Hi, it's John. There's going to be jackhammering while I'm doing this, but I think that the phone isolates it well enough that it won't bother you too much. I was cleaning up my bikes today, and I wanted to bring up a fun thing you can do with obsolete 26-inch wheel mountain bikes. So let's check it out. This is my old messenger bike, and it is a Redline monocog that should take 26-inch wheels, but I've stuffed 700C wheels in. And the thing you'll notice time and time again is that 26-inch plus a big fat tire is approximately equal to 700C plus a smaller tire. So, I mean, this is a fixed gear, you know, it's set up like this. You have disc brake in the front. So that's one way to do it. That's one. Here's another Redline, same setup. This Klein, this is a Klein Pulse, and I use it to take my kid around. See that little clamp? I drag her around on it. Now this is interesting. So one, you can usually replace the front fork with just like a cyclocross fork. There's a measurement called axle to crown, and so from the crown race to the axle, get that measurement. Typically on older mountain bikes, they will have had very little suspension or not have been suspension corrected at all, and so you get an equivalent axle to crown by putting in a 700C hybrid or cyclocross fork. So in this case, this rides perfectly. It doesn't pull, it doesn't have wheel flop. I've found that generally the fork rake and sort of the resulting trail is acceptable. It's not what a mountain fork would have had, but it works. This is the option if you don't have disc brakes. You have to have something like this in the front, or if you have two of these, you can run the original mountain bike fork. So what this is, and there are a few manufacturers who made these. I don't think you can get them anymore though. Look on eBay, have your machinist friend make you one. This is a Mavic brake riser. So this is a crazy product. Like the product design manager was tripping when they made this, but God bless them, because every time I find one of these, I snag it. I love them. You take these nubbins on this stiffening yoke, and you bolt the whole damn thing to your old cantilever studs. Then it's got a second set of cantilever studs up a sufficient amount to actually run 700C wheels. That is literally what they designed this piece for. I'm not hacking this. This isn't some weird thing that I've done. A big company, a mainstream company, Mavic, was like, hey, you know what's cool? Putting 700C wheels in mountain bikes. So yeah, it works really well. It's not noisy, and because it's connected left and right, when you bolt it on, it just stays there and it just functions. Note the use of the travel agents as referenced in my adapters video. Yeah, because I am running road shifters on this side. Anyway, just a quick one-off video about fun stuff to do with obsolete mountain bikes that nobody wants. You can often get them for cheap, and you can make them into very nice bike packing bikes, commuter bikes. I've seen dudes race cyclocross bikes on these crazy monster cross mountain bikes. There's a specialized stump jumper like M4, the aluminum one, at work, and I may just do it again. Someone needs to stop me, because I'm just going to keep on killing these things. Anyway, beautiful sunny day in Seattle. I'll talk to you later.